Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, a little short video. When you've got an ellipse, you can take the pick tool and you can change it from a circle to a pie depending on your settings here. You can set it to an arc and make an arc, or you can put it back to a full. But you can also do, if you're doing it really quick, an ellipse only has one node. If we take the shape tool and stay on the inside of it, you're going to get that shape. If you take the one node and go on the outside, it takes away an arc. This could be very useful, I can see, in some cases, because it's a lot quicker. And if you don't need 90 degrees or whatever, if you just want to open this up a little bit, or make that shape, or actually you can go all the way around and make that shape. But if you stay on the outside, you can cut out the rest of the arc. So if we do that, or we do this, it leaves a hole, or it leaves the other part that's missing. Anyway, just a little quick tidbit. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.